Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to tell you how OneLaunch makes money. So if you're using OneLaunch, you might be wondering, how is this great software completely free to me to use each and every day to make me productive and efficient on the web and on my computer in general? And the answer is ads. We are indeed ad supported through a couple of partnerships, but the biggest by far is a partnership where we get a revenue share on ad clicks on the Yahoo search engine that is present in our browser by default. So there should be no secrets there. All the major browsers in the world have partnerships with major search engines to monetize the browser. And in such a way, browsers are free to use, and these amazing search engines are free to use as well, because they support themselves through the ads at the top and bottom of the search engine results page. So OneLaunch with its own browser, with our own browser, is absolutely no different. It's a very, very common business model for browsers to stay free and to monetize with ads through search. So I'm going to show you just what that looks like exactly through our Yahoo partnership. Just for an example, I'll search for Nike shoes for men from the OneLaunch doc. That immediately opens up in our OneLaunch Chromium browser. And as I scroll down the SERP, it's called a SERP, the search engine results page, you'll see a bunch of Yahoo's choice, their algorithm's choice on results for the query Nike shoes for men. So looking down at the bottom, let me just see here. Okay, actually let's start at the top. You'll see at the top very clearly these ad labels. Ad here, ad here. These are on the kind of the right of the major headline of the ad from the advertiser. Ad here. So these companies like Light in the Box, like Stylight, like Ukes, and ShopStyle, they're all advertising for the keyword Nike shoes for men. So when this ad click occurs, Nike men's shoes, I'm going to click it. This opens up the advertiser's landing page, and this advertiser, shopstyle.com, just paid Yahoo for the ad click, and Yahoo is giving us a rev share for bringing the traffic to Yahoo. So this, I hope, is a very succinct and clear example of the partnership between us here at OneLaunch and Yahoo in the way that they provide us a revenue share of the ad clicks that occur on the Yahoo page that come from our traffic, our users, our browser. And of course, you might be one of our users. So that is the business model. It's ad supported. It is the way, like I said, all search engines and browsers in the world are able to stay free to offer this incredibly amazing service of browsing and searching absolutely for free, is through this revenue model of ad supported. So that's search, which is by far the majority of how OneLaunch makes money. There's a couple small partnerships in addition. The only one I'll kind of highlight is our new tab page. So you might be very familiar with Edge and its new tab page, which is essentially msn.com. We've kind of looked at that and thought, you know what, we could also provide our users some of the benefits of having news content, weather content, etc., right on the new tab page experience or homepage experience of the OneLaunch Chromium browser. So we've been testing around with this, and you can see I'm on our new tab page now. To get that, you simply click the new tab page button. And then on this page, for the most part, it is just news content. But you can see there are some ads sprinkled in the mix. So those are ads through some of our partners. We absolutely always label them as ads. They're very clear for you to see that they're ads. But if you're ever clicking on those ads, we are indeed paid for that click from our partners. So those are currently the two major ways in which OneLaunch makes money and stays free. And we think they're completely reasonable ways for us to run our business. So that's it. It's short and sweet. I hope this makes sense. Please continue to use OneLaunch. We'll continue to keep it free. Thank you for supporting us through our ad monetization model. If you ever have any questions or comments or concerns about the revenue model, we'd love to hear from you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.